In the world of classic American muscle cars, few names command as much respect and admiration as the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Immortalized in Steve McQueen's Bullitt, this car became an instant icon. With nearly 115,000 units produced, many still turn heads at car shows across the globe. But among all those roaring V8s and glistening paint jobs, one Mustang stands apart. Not because it's faster, not because it's shinier, but because it carries the unmistakable flair of Italian design. Meet the 1967 Mustang Zagato Elaborazione, one of only two ever modified by the legendary Italian coachbuilder Zagato. Known for their daring designs on Aston Martins, Lancias, and Alfa Romeos, Zagato occasionally wandered into more eccentric territory. And in the late 1960s, they set their sights on the all-American Mustang. The result? A rare and polarizing pony that's as fascinating as it is unique. Zagato didn't completely redesign the car, but their touches are immediately noticeable. Gone are the iconic round headlights. In their place, a set of modern, for the time, rectangular Carello units. The hood was elongated, the grille narrowed dramatically, and a large central hood scoop was added for presence. Turn signals were moved to above the bumper, and the car was repainted in an elegant shade of holly green. The transformation gave the car a blend of American muscle and European eccentricity that looked like a strange but bold mix of a Citroën Ami, Ford Capri, and Peugeot 504, which, interestingly, all came later. The changes didn't stop on the outside. A set of Zagato Elaborazione badges on the fenders confirmed its exclusive nature. Inside, white vinyl seats with black inserts added a sporty but refined contrast. Mechanically, though, the Mustang remained true to its Detroit roots. Under the hood was the trusty 289 cubic inch V8, rated at 225 horsepower and mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, a true driver's setup. This particular Mustang had a colorful life. It was driven regularly in Europe until the 1980s, before being tucked away in storage. A decade later, the father of the current owner rescued it and gave it a full restoration. It has since graced European roads again, even participating in prestigious events like the Mille Miglia. Today, it's crossing the auction block on Bring a Trailer, giving collectors a rare opportunity to own a one-of-two Zagato Mustang. Whether you love it or find its styling a bit too quirky, there's no denying the historical value of this car. It's a testament to a time when transatlantic design collaborations were rare and experimental. The Mustang Zagato is not just a muscle car, it's a fusion of two automotive cultures, a rolling contradiction that somehow works. As the Mustang's legacy continues to evolve with electric versions and global popularity, this one-off Zagato version reminds us that customization has always been part of the Mustang story. This is one car show star you'll never see parked next to a twin.